Baker is a place where learning happens. It's very hands-on, in-depth. It's not just in the classroom, it's online, it's with your teachers, it's through anecdotes, stories. It's something that you can take out of the classroom and apply in a real-life scenario and learn even more from it. Out of high school, I wouldn't say I was destined on being a mechanic. I was more so looking for something to go to school for. So I ended up looking up some schools, and the Auto Diesel Institute happened to just be so local and right here at Baker College. I wanted to pursue something greater and give myself more opportunities. You know, it worked out perfectly that I could apply online and start my process right away and get into it. And you know, it kind of seemed like a fate type deal. During my time here at the Auto Diesel Institute, learned a lot, came in pretty much knowing nothing at all. They taught us everything from the ground up. Like my first few weeks of classes, immediately we got into tearing an engine down like completely, all the way down bare bones, just the block. As the courses just went along, you know, electrical, brakes, suspension, all of that, it just continued to get more and more enthralling, and I was more and more intrigued with it. The professors here were one of the best experiences for me. We were really friends. It felt like by the end of the course it was almost like an apprenticeship. Coming to school didn't feel like school, it felt like coming to like a job almost. You were coming here and you were working and you were learning underneath this great instructor who's been doing it, you know, for so many plus years. It really felt like they focused on pushing us to really learn in depth. Like, we're gonna take it from the top, we're gonna break it all the way down to the bottom, and then we're gonna build it back up, and you know, we're gonna give you a review, we're gonna give you criticisms, and you're gonna do that over and over again. It wasn't surface level education, it was very hands-on, very theoretical. You know, you really know how it was working internally and externally. Of course, it was great to work on the cars and learn more about, you know, that's why I came here, so that I could learn. I did plenty of learning, but, you know, the friends I made here and the connections I made, you know what I mean? The memories I made here are something that I'm definitely gonna, you know, cherish a long time. Baker's given me a lot of confidence. I just started my career as of May this year. With the education I've gained here and my ASC certifications that they've provided and the knowledge, I know in my future that I can comfortably become a technician and not have to pursue more schooling after the fact.